In today's tutorial, we are going to be focused on one particular thing called a survey. Asking yourself, how can I go about this thing? It's not difficult. I discovered that I always make video concerning how to make money online, but I haven't said anything concerning survey. And some of you have been struggling to get paid by being a visual assistant, being doing data annotation, transcription, and all the remote job that you know. But before you wait for those kind of remote job to pay you, at least have this kind of site remote job platform that you can get a little amount of money from $150 to $170 every month. It's very legit and straightforward. Don't think that I'm here to give you guys things that don't work. I always give platform that works. And you guys have been working on survey platform for some times, but they don't pay you at the end of collecting your information. But before we continue for today's tutorial, if you love what I do in this platform, you like my video, comment and subscribe to my channel on that notification button to get notified anytime I upload a video like this. So let's start today's tutorial. In this platform that you are seeing called a top survey, if you are seeing a lot of matching survey that you are seeing, you see best matching up here. The reason why they are showing a survey in a batch matching is because in this platform they give you a survey from your information you give to them, so that at least they won't reject you in a process of performing the survey. Do you understand? I tried performing this survey. I've given this survey to one of my students and it withdrew money successfully. And I tried performing it one. You can see here I tried one tax and they paid me. That is $1. Let me open the tax I completed so that at least you see what I'm saying here and you know that I'm not here to lie to you guys. Look at it. One task completed. Let me go back. You can check the date. That is this 19 June 2026. This 10 minutes ago. I'm not here to lie to you guys. I'm always here to give you guys the truth. And let me go to the earning so that you see that the earning is from the transaction I made. You can see it. This is a $1 that is completed and it's still date June 19, 2026. Even if you are watching this video from in 3 months to come, 4 months to come, or 5 months to come, still know that the survey platform is still working. The survey platform is still working. So this is what we are going to do. Let me go back to the survey. Okay, let me open the survey so that you see a lot of survey that are here. You can see a lot of survey are here that there is no way in this life that you cannot make up to $5 to $6, $7 every day from this survey. And don't worry, it's not, you don't need to find the link. I'm going to put the link in my description bio so that just click and sign up. But if you are not from eligible country, send me a comment on a video saying how can I register. If you are not from UK, if you are not from Canada, if you are not from US, Australia, do you understand? If you are not from those countries that they don't ever reject them when it comes to survey or any platform, drop me a comment ask me how can I register. It's not something I'm going to collect money from you. It's free. But I can't upload a video showing you how to register. YouTube is going to ban my account because the video is going to violate their principle or policy. Do you understand? So this is what I will do. When you send me a comment, I'm going to send a link to a video I save on a drive for you to watch. Do you understand? In that video, it's going to show you step by step on how to register on this platform and they will accept you. So these are the surveys that are active. These are short survey and these are highest paying payout. Do you understand? These are highest payout and everything they are saying here is something that works, not something that is fake. Let me show you the payment method that is involved in this platform. Before we go to the payment method, you will see something like $1.11 slash 5.00. This means if you see the volume rate here, if it covers this volume rate, it means it's up to $5 for me to withdraw. That is cash out. The minimum withdrawal in this platform is $5. That's what they are trying to tell you. So it's not hard. It's something that you can make a day and withdraw. Let's go to the payment method so that you see what is here. If you come to this payment method, you can see my balance up here, which is 1.11 US dollar, and you can see this is the transfer. If you want to use the transfer method, you can open it. We have transfer method here. These are transfer method: bank transfer, cash app, PayPal, and the rest. They have 5 transfer method. Then let's go to the, for me, I don't like using PayPal normally misbehave. I would prefer using bank transfer, or if you find it difficult using bank transfer, if you don't have any US account number, any dollar account number, don't use bank transfer. There's no need for you to use bank transfer. Just come directly to this gift card. You discover that you have a payment method of over 265 more gift card that you can use. That is when you make your $5, you use any of these gift card to withdraw your money. Let me show you. We even have Amazon here. Let me see. We even have Amazon, and look at Amazon.com. If you click Amazon now, you discover that the minimum payment method here is $5. If you are up to $5, you can use the payment method to withdraw. Very easy. Let's go down again. You see other payment methods that are available. Look at Apple. We have another. There are a lot of payment methods. There's no way that you tell me that you make money in this platform and you are not able to withdraw it. It's not easy. It can't happen that way. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you love what I do here, just follow this video and show me a result, so that at least I will know that you guys, when watching my video, you go further to follow the video up, to perform the task, and you get result at the end of the day. So this everything concerning the payment method. Payment method is something that is legit. Like, a lot of gift card are here for you to withdraw your money from. A lot of it. So this everything concerning this platform, top survey. And if you think that the platform is not something that is straightforward, let me tell you the truth. Use a platform like this. Use a platform like Trustpilot. Yes, use a platform like Trustpilot to check the survey. Just open Trustpilot, go to the search bar, put top survey, and you will discover what I'm trying to say. You see the ranking and people comment. That is when you realize that the platform is very, very legit, and the platform pays well. When you complete the survey, the platform is going to pay you for that survey that you complete. It's not a survey platform that when you complete it, that is when they will tell you that you are not qualified. That thing is very, very frustrating. It's very, very frustrating. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video.